Alright, so we just lost power. And I thought this would be a good opportunity to show you how when I start the generator, we have this thing that tells you when the power comes back on. Alright, so come on downstairs. I'll show you how it works. Unfortunately, we have to go outside and get soap to turn the generator on, but that's how it goes. Sorry. Love to be able to go outside through the basement, through the backyard, but I have that piece of wood there. I have to come back up. So I'm sitting there, the power went out. So I'll show you how this works. So it's this thing up here. See this white box? I'm going to turn it on right now. Okay. So this white box that's on right now will alarm when the power comes back on to let me know that the power is back. It's got a couple of wires. The wires are wrapped around the mains in the breaker box. Because when you put the generator on, there's no way of knowing when the power is back on. So that's how that works. I shut off the main. Start the generator. When we hear that alarm, that means the power is back on. Let's go start the generator. Wow, it's freaking windy out there. Put some shoes on instead of these slippers, these flip-flops I'm wearing, because it's slippery out here. Treatable oils also. Alright, so now I hope the electrical kept this thing charged up. Let me turn this off just in case. Alright, let's see what happens. Turn on the gas. I just don't want it to be under load. Alright, please start. Power's on. I gotta be careful. I gotta put better shoes on. Alright, so right now there will be no way of knowing when the power comes back on. Just the main power is off. So when we hear that thing chime, an alarm, top. All right, good. All right, it's now 8:30 in the morning. It's 3.5 hours after the last video clip, and we're still on generator power. And this thing is still running. So again, the way it works is when the power comes back on, in here, we're not going to know, okay? Because it's not an automatic transfer switch, so we'll have no way of knowing. Our neighbors like wait until either we get a ping from the electric company, or somebody else in the neighborhood says to them, "Oh, the power's back." All right, boring day, but it is now 2:45 in the afternoon. We still have no power, and I don't think we're gonna get power at all today. My kids are going stark crazy because there's no school. Okay, it's 7:30 at night now, 7:20 at night. Still no power. Still no power. But that's why we have a generator, because this is what happens where we live. 8:30 p.m. Here's how this works. This means the power's back on. Alright. This means there's power coming in the house. Let's flip this off. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to turn the generator off and turn the power of the house back on. Alright. Alright. Back on house power now. That's it. Finally. Hope it stays like this. Good job. Turn that off just as a safety precaution. I'm gonna let it cool off. Battery is 4 kilowatts. Battery is 14.3 volts. So that's it. So hopefully, that thing is great. It's lasted me a long time. Not the cleanest power in the world, but now hopefully we have cable vision back.